Ain't no need to check the score, bitch, I'ma keep scoring. I get money and go home, bitch, my life boring. Mama want me to quit the lean, but I'ma keep pouring. Got an automatic tour, gas look like a leaf blower. Out of town with my bus on, bitch, I from Detroit. I got some white boys that really bought it.
What is up, DEEZY Nation? It's your girl DEEZY, and I'm back with another mother-loving video. That's on period. So y'all already know I be battling, you know what I'm saying, with being consistent, but I won't give up until I want to be where I'm at on YouTube. You feel me? So according to this title, you already know what it is. It's about these Marley twists of mine. Okay. So I've had these Marley twists in for about 2 weeks. At first I had braids, knowledge box braids, but I didn't like how they were done. So like within 2 weeks I took them out and I put these in myself. So let me see if I can show you. Okay, so they're definitely frizzy. I mean, you can see it right here. They're frizzy. So what I'm just about to do, I'm just going to retouch this first row and I'm going to show you guys how I did it. And I'm going to also grease my scalp. So the first thing that you need, so since my hair is already parted, you know what I'm saying, I'm not going to repart it because it's already parted. This hairstyle is good for natural hair, any type of hair, and permed hair like mine is. Okay. So you can use, what I use is the Shine and Jam Conditioning Gel Extra Hold. Boom. Rat tail comb. Brush. And the Main Choice Growth Oil. I'm going to grease my scalp after because before it's hard to grip. Because it's going to be all greasy. I could use some, get some new hair, but I just feel like there's no point. Because the texture of this hair is literally like dreads. It's like dreads, so it's kinky, you know what I'm saying? Like, let me see. You see what I'm saying? That's how the hair comes, just like that. So I'm going to just reuse this hair. I'm thinking about taking these out, actually. But since I've been going to the gym for the past 3 weeks, these are just been so, like, easy to manage. This hairstyle is real simple. Anybody can do it. Anybody. If you don't know how to braid, you can do this hairstyle. I'm going to post a picture of the hair, actually, because I don't think I have a pack. I don't think I have the pack. But it's the Cuban twist. I'm going to post a picture somewhere in this video. So let's go ahead and comb this out. My hair is still moisturized. Like, my hair is not dry or brittle. Oh my gosh, I miss my hair. Look how much it's grown, bro. The black, hold on. Because where you see it's black at, that's my hair was colored completely. So it was no black. Okay. So, in order to get this width, you know what I'm saying? This is like medium small. The hair comes in separate strands like this. Okay? This is how it comes. What I do at the ends, I comb off the ends. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. And what I like about this hair is that, you know what I'm saying? You could take it out and reuse it if you wanted to. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We go do the other ends. It takes way less time than doing box braids, and it's way lighter. It's not as heavy on the head. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, get your 2 strands, cross it like this. My hair looks like this because it was obviously in my head already and already twisted, right? You're gonna take, so look, cross it, go under like you're tying a shoe, and then you got 3 strands like you're about to braid. This is the method that I do. I braid I braid just down a little bit, and then I twist. I'm gonna show you. So you got 3 strands. This is a strand, 1, 2, 3. Okay. You don't need it to be that long. I mean, it depends on your hair length. Oh my gosh, I missed the color of my hair. I can't wait to take this out, but I can wait. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this down so it looks like this. Let me show you one more time. Like you're tying a shoe. Go under, and then now you got 3 strands. 1, 2, 3. Get a little bit. Like that much. Just enough to lay down, you know, your roots. Boop, boop, boop. I mean, you can use how much ever you want. It depends on your hair and how thick your hair is. Smooth that up in there. I don't know. Do I want to leave the tail though? Let me see. I'm gonna go ahead and leave a tail. So what I do, go ahead and brush that through. That's my little thingamajig right there. And I just braid my hair. Just a little bit though. Just to make it easier to grip and things like that. My scalp is so dry. Look how dry that is. So that's how far I'm gonna braid it down. So you got your 3 strands, right? It don't matter which like side you do, but it's easier for me if I do the short side because I'm not good at gripping. Take it, the short side or whichever side you choose, and put it with your hair, like so. So now your hair is part of this 1 strand, right? And then you just do a regular braid. Let me make sure my tail ain't caught up in there. Do a regular braid. However far down you want to go. I just do a little bit. Just a little bit. Now because of like twisting, you're going to like your hair is actually going to be twisting. So I take one of these clips to place it here for me actually twisting my from stopping my hair from actually twisting. So I still got 3 parts. I'm gonna the middle section, I'm gonna separate it and add it to the other ones. So now I only got 2 pieces of hair. And then you twist. You can twist however tight you want. So I don't know if this is like if it's a different way to twist or something, but this is my left hand, this is my right hand. Your left hand, you're gonna twist, hold on, forward, and in my right hand, I'm gonna twist backwards. Twist forward, twist backwards, twist. Twist forward, twist backwards, twist. Twist forward, twist backwards, twist. See, my hair's coming out, so I'm gonna just unravel it. And if you got hair like mine that don't like to act right, you can either try and tuck it within the hair, or you can add some more product so it can stay down. But I just decided to tuck it because that actually decided to tuck. Now if you want thicker twist, you know what I'm saying, you add more strands of hair. So I only had 2 strands of hair. You'll use 3 or 4. And I've had the bigger ones before. love this hairstyle because of the texture. Like, it's natural like hair. It's frizzy like dreads. The maintenance is very low. If you like me that don't like to do my hair or don't like to do your hair, then this is the hairstyle for you. And you don't want to pay to get them knowledge box braids, because who still get regular box braids now? Like, let's be honest, for real. Why get regular box braids when you can get knotless and your head don't have to hurt? But people are charging so much. Twist all the way down. Boom. It's my little thing right there. And it's not tight, it's loose. So I'm gonna do one more, and then the rest of them you just go see. I'm gonna just fast forward through the rest. So the hair I got at my local beauty supply store called Kelly Beauty Supply Store. The name of the hair is called Cuban Twist. They have different textures of the Cuban Twist. So I'm gonna have to take a picture and post it in this video so you know which hair to get. The length of this hair is the 16 inch. They got 12, 16, 18, 24, and 36. And I got the 16. I ended up cutting it because it was past my butt. I have, I believe, 52 or 54 braids, twist or whatever. And that's 8 packs of hair. And the hair was on sale for, I mean, my beauty supply store always got the hair on sale. They got everything on sale. This was on sale for $5.99 or $5.69. 8 packs of hair. I really don't have baby hair no more. They don't lay down. They done grew out. I've always cut my baby hair for it to be baby hair. 2 strands. Cross like you're tying your shoe. And now you got 3 strands. 1, 2, 3. They're even at the bottom. Take your product, whatever it is that you use. I only take a little bit. Smooth that out. And then just braid your hair as far down as you want. You don't need it too far down though. It's just easier to have a grip when it's braided, for me personally. Okay, braid it down, not tight at all. Take the short piece or whichever piece that you want to use, add it to your real hair. So now your real hair is part of one of the strands. So you got 1, 2, 3. Then you braid that. I only braid just so it doesn't slip. I know my hair. So we got to braid there. Separate it. So now you got 2 strands. Add the clip so your hair, so it don't twist. And we're going to twist forward. This is my left hand. This is my right. We're going to twist forward, twist back, twist together. Twist forward, twist back, twist together. Twist forward, twist back, twist together. You see how my hair, you see how it's twisting? If you don't have something there holding your hair, it will hurt. Because it's literally twisting your hair tight. No need for any twisting. I mean dipping. Alright, DEEZY Nation, I am so sorry about that. Like my phone was like overheating for whatever reason. I couldn't even tell you why. But I am done redoing my Marley twist. I don't add any baby hair because I ain't got no baby hair. And in about a day or two, the baby hairs that I do have is gonna automatically like come out. You can see it a little bit. They're blonde right now, but yes. So this is how I do my Marley twist. Very simple, very manageable, very light. I should probably redo that one, but I'm not, because I actually like the messy look. But period. Look at that. Hold on. You see, like it just don't lay. I mean, I could lay them. My gel's in there. I ain't even about to try. But this concludes the video. I hope you guys like this video. I plan on coming with more content and everything like that. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media. I know y'all tired of me being inconsistent, but you know, sometimes life has a funny way of, you know, jumping in and putting a hold on things, okay? But I'm coming for my plaque. I want my YouTube plaque. I'm a ways away, but still, I want my plaque. And thank you so much for watching. Peace.